Hi, friends. After exploring how to invest in businesses, let's learn how to start one. Today, I'll take you through the exciting steps of creating your own small business. Every great business starts with an idea. Let's brainstorm some fun and innovative business concepts together. Once we have an idea, we need to research our market. Who are our customers? What do they need? Let's find out. Now let's draw up a business plan. This is our roadmap to success, outlining our goals, strategies, and how we'll achieve them. Next, we need to think about funding. We'll look at different ways to raise money to start our business. Creating a brand is super fun. Let's talk about how to make our business stand out and attract customers. Starting a small business is an amazing journey full of learning and growth. Maybe one day you'll turn your dream into a thriving business. Thanks for joining me on this entrepreneurial adventure. Like, share, and subscribe for more business fun with me, Wiggle Will. Remember, your big ideas can lead to even bigger successes.